YouTube fam, what is good? DevanOnDeck back with another Instagram tips video for you, and this one is about upping those views, getting that view count up on your Instagram stories, and I have some updates on some new things I've been trying out, and I'm gonna break it all down to you right after this intro.
Ooh, I'm a pretty man. Ooh, that's that ugly style.
The first thing on this list has really been helping me get my views up lately is combining different interactive stickers on one snap or in one frame. So that can be a poll where they can vote mixed with a slider as well. You can do a slider with a question, a poll with a question. But when you put two things in there, for some reason, my views just shoot up more than they would if I just put one thing in there. So try to combine different stickers that are interactive in one frame and see how that works for you. The second one on this list involves a little thing called viewer retention. And that translates to the amount of people that make it from the beginning of your story all the way to the end. And the more folks you get to go to the very end tells the algorithm on Instagram, hey, I should show this story to more people. And a great way to do that is to tell stories step by step. One thing you may not realize is that every time you post an image on Instagram stories, it's only up there for 4 seconds. So with a whole bunch of text on the screen, everybody doesn't know to hold down their thumb and freeze the frame, and they might just get lost in translation. But if it's something that is kind of broken up into pieces, then it gives me a chance to go on a journey and continue to choose that I want to continue to watch your story. The psychology of like making a choice and tapping forward really engages people a lot more than trying to cram a whole bunch in a short amount of time. And you got 2 ways to do this. The first way is to convert an image into a longer 15-second video. And the way you can do this is do screen capture on your phone. If you have an iPhone, you can just do a screen record of that screenshot and let it just go for like 15 seconds and then put it in your story, and then you're gonna have a long 15-second screenshot that somebody can actually read and digest. So when you look at my tweets, when I put screenshots of my Twitter posts up, you'll see that I'll have like one sentence and then I'll break it down to another sentence and another sentence. And all I'm doing really is taking that screenshot on Instagram stories, putting it up, taking a little like white pen or whatever, and just scratching it out, coloring it out, saving it, erasing some of it, saving it, erasing some and save it. So then the person is taking a journey. So however you got to break it down, give people a chance to digest things, let them choose to be going and doing a next step. And I promise you it will go a lot further. You will see a lot more click through, a lot more retention, and therefore get more views on your stories. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all on this one. If this video brought you any kind of value whatsoever, please give your guy a thumbs up. It does help my channel out a lot. If you haven't subbed to this channel yet, here's where you're gonna find the best tools to create better content for Instagram, how to present yourself better on social media, how to brand yourself overall no matter where you're posting stuff to, and a little bit of men's fashion as well. So if that sounds good to you, I would love for you to hit that bell icon, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, any feedback, please leave it down in the comments. Any video requests, I'll take those as well. And yeah, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.